Okay, guys, so MageGee, it's a keyboard I bought a little while back. I did a video on it. Some of my backlights and my keys started going out. You can see here in this picture I sent them to show them. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 that's gone out, and I've got another one that's currently dying. The delete key is starting to go out. But it's been almost a year ago since I bought it, and so I wanted to go through and see if they would honor the warranty. I emailed them, letting them know that March 22nd of 24, I ordered a keyboard and that 4 of the lights were going out. And this is through their website. I actually went through their website and emailed them. After selling warranty services, I emailed their support, but they said I should go through the Amazon page, and they even went through the step-by-step on how to go to the page, contact the seller, ask a question, send them a message. So I did that. Okay, so I did that, and the conversation went. They asked me if it was the one I was talking about. They asked me if I wanted a replacement or a refund. After a full year, or almost a full year, they asked if I wanted a refund, which I thought was kind of impressive. But I wanted a replacement because I actually like the keyboard. I sent them my address, and that was as simple as that. Make this a bit bigger so y'all can see. I got a package in. So let's see if they sent if they sent the same keyboard. Because, you know, who knows? I might have gotten a completely different type of keyboard than the one that I ordered. But I thought this would just be something to make a video about. Yep, same keyboard. For packaging, it comes with these purple replacement keycaps if you want to replace the keys with purple keys. Comes with a keycap puller. Same keyboard. Let's see here. Let me undo this twist tie. Okay, let me undo 2 twist ties. Trying to get it plugged in here. Bear with me. Camera's picking up a flicker, but there's not a flicker on it. Everything's all lit up like it should be. It's a good looking keyboard. But yeah, I just wanted to make a really quick video and show you guys that. Just basically a warranty check, I guess you could say. Because a lot of companies, you know, sometimes don't honor their warranties. And I just thought that was pretty cool that they did. But that's it, guys. Really quick video. Thanks for watching. A link for MageGee will be in the description. Check it out. I also have a link for Windscribe. It's a great VPN that I use. It'll be in the description too. Thanks for watching.